G'day and welcome to a super easy Ben Golding guitar class today, because we are having a look at the wonderful Blondie and the classic 80s tune The Tide Is High. This one should give you no problems even if you are just starting out, because you will just need an A chord, you will need a D, and you will need an E. And just to say, if you were playing along with the wonderful Blondie version of the tune, you would need to play exactly what we're going to play, but you would have a capo on the second fret, but we're going to play it open, nice and easy, without any capo, just in case you don't have one, but we'll keep it simple. Okay, so the chords are going to come up on the screen, and you'll have to excuse the singing, but I'm going to try and hum the tune in the background for you, and we're going to start off with a chorus section, so get ready with that A, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, and do and a D and E, A do and D and E again. A 2 3 4 D and E, and A 2 3 4 D and E to link D and E again. D and E. Verse. D and E and A and D and an E. B D and E. B D and E. A D and E and A. Oh no, chorus. Is high, but a D and E, A do D and E, and da and D and E. The tide is high, but a D and E to link D and E, D and E. 1, 2, 3, and okay, that is literally, it just goes between the verses and the choruses like that, and watch out for the link as well. Totally easy, even if you're a beginner, that shouldn't give you too many problems. Get the vocals sorted out, it'll sound fantastic. All the best, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you again soon for more super easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.